Alright, it's the part 1 to my 2018 July 4th fireworks stash. Go over what all we got in here. Got them Rocket Girl rockets over there. Nice ones. Got the Skylighter Clown brand there. That is one heavy mofo right there. Got two 5-shot parachute Roman candles. I thought those were pretty cool. I've never, it was the first time I'd seen a parachute Roman candle. They're pretty big too. Then back here we got 2 boxes of It cans. Tubes right there. Check out all the pictures on the canisters there. Man, once I saw those, I knew I had to get them. Even just for the wrap. I love the wrap on those. And we got a box of the Deadpool cans. Got them right there. Real nice. Got one gold can to try out. 24 karat gold. Those are good hitters right there. Then we got a pack of the Hellcat rockets over here. I love big display rockets. They're nice. Then we got 1 box of Warheads. We got 4 boxes of Double Troubles from Holy Fook. Then 3 boxes of Ammo Dump from Holy Fook. Got some Girandolas there. They're pretty nice. Got a few RPG rockets. Some Sammy's Best in there. And we got a whole large assortment of firecrackers over here. We got Cobra 8, Gladiator, Monster Doom Boom, Big Doom Boom. We got Doom Boom 50, Doom Boom 30, Doom Boom Maxi, Doom Boom 120dB, Doom Boom F2, Doom Boom Middle. We got some Doom Boom 2Gs. We got Doom Boom 5Gs. We got like 5 of each of the smaller Doom Booms here. I mean, well, they're not small, but 5 of each, all the individual Doom Booms that are spread around here. Got mini Doom Boom. Got some original Doom Booms, some Doom Boom purples. We got some Titan Blitz. We got 5 of those also. Got the Color Swoop Extra Loud. Those are nice. Got 4 of those. Got a couple of Crazy Robots, Sunrise. Got like 5 of the Mickey crackers, a couple Angry Elf, some Ground Bloom Flower crackers, Micro Doom Boom. Got a Big Boss Flower. You got the Signalos 2.0. Those are nice. A couple of the brown wrap in there. Got a few Signalos. Got a box of Spanish crackers there. Crazy Bang. AP Boom. Got some Demon stuff. Elite Tigre. Those nice Chinese crackers there. Got a big fat Spanish crackers. A couple of ARF crackers there. Some Zebra. Then we got some nice Ground Bloom flowers with reports. Nice big crackling balls. Got some more ARF crackers here. Very nice quality crackers. Some RC1s stuffed up in there. A bunch of Crazy Kings. Some colored flowers. You got all sorts of stuff.